Hello, this is a quick review of the KS3 Math Revision Quiz. When you launch the app, you will be presented with a welcome screen which looks like the screen you have right now. Right in the center of the screen, you have a Go to Quizzes button. So if you go ahead and you tap on that, and basically here you have a quick introduction to what the quizzes are all about. And the equivalent age that this is targeting is the age of 11, 12 years old, and they're probably in year 7 of their curriculum, what they're learning. Now, if you scroll down, this is the great part of this quiz. It has a wide range of questions on a wide range of topics. It covers board mass, it covers expressions, factors, graphs, multiples, powers. It covers sequences, square numbers, frequency diagrams, addition and subtraction. Going down the list, there's a comprehensive list of things that it covers. Powers of 10, simplification, fractions, percentage, and decimals. And all the way down, it even covers angles. And going further down, you do have shape identification. Now, these quizzes that have like an icon next to them, these are quizzes that have images in the questions. So you can see down to averages and pie charts, multiplication and division. There is a wide range. This quiz is just packed full with questions, polygons. It covers graphs, inequalities. So there's a wide range down to Pythagoras. So there's a wide range. This is packed full with questions. It's great value for the questions that we're offering. So let's go ahead and try a couple of them and see how it works out. Let's just say we take algebra multiples. Go ahead and tap the play button. And what it does, it brings you to the main screen. And here's the first question. What are first 4 multiples of 7? So here you have to pick which are the first 4 multiples. So I'm going to try answer this third one option here. And it says correct. And here's the beauty of the quiz. Immediately you get feedback on what the correct answer was. You get told what is the correct answer. You get a green check box. Instant feedback. The first 3 multiples are 15. So I'm going to choose a wrong answer so we can see the feedback as well. Here we get instant feedback. Sorry, that is incorrect, and it tells you the correct answer. Now, this is the beauty of this learning system. So you will be able to see what you got right immediately, and you also what you got wrong. So you get an affirmation, you get a correction, so you can actually learn. It's a quiz where you can actually learn as you do the questions. At the very bottom, it keeps score of what you've got so far. So right now it tells us your current score is 1 out of 2, so we've got 1 question correct. So basically this is what the quiz is about. I can go back to the other quizzes. If I get done and I want to reset it, I just say play this quiz again and it resets the counter for me. I can go back, and when I go back I can go choose another topic area. So let's just go ahead and choose addition and subtraction. I want to practice this. I just hit play for that, and I get here. I can try out my addition and subtraction. The beauty of the multiple choice is it already has the answers for you, so you can pick what you think is the correct answer. It will tell you if it's correct, and then if you want to skip a question, you can skip a question. 76 minus 14 is I'm guessing it's going to be 62, so I'll just choose that, and again I get positive feedback telling me I got it right. So this is the beauty of the quiz, of what we've put together. It's a tremendous resource. It's got a ton of questions, a large number of questions that you can look through. It's packed full with all these topics which you can learn from. So we strongly recommend you go ahead and purchase this. Ideally, when you have it on your phone or your iPad, your kid will be able to, you yourself will be able to revise and make sure you're up to speed with all these areas: rounding, angles, imperial, and metric. So you've got questions on all of these. So like we've said, there's a wide range of quizzes. One of the quizzes is shape identification, and this is a good way for us to take a look at a quiz that has shapes in the question. For instance, which of the shapes below is a rectangle? And here you have 4 options: A, B, C, and D. So you would of course choose what you believe is the correct answer, which is in this case A. So this quiz has shapes. It uses shapes in the question, and it's a good visual way for your kid to be able to practice and reinforce triangles, octagon. They can do that. Let's take a look at another quiz which also uses images in the question. There's a question. There's an image question on. There's a question on angles. So right here we have a question on angles, and this is going to help your kid revise your angles, you or your kid. The angle in the following in the picture below is, so there you have it. So it gives you a visual. You have a picture of an angle. The angle in the picture below is, it tells you here are your options. Is this an acute angle, an obtuse angle, or reflex, or right angle? So you'll be able to choose what angle we're talking about, and it gives you an instant feedback. Right angles exactly 90 degrees. So it's a great tool. It's very diverse. I mean, because it covers a wide range. It gives you, it practices all the angles as you can see using visuals, so that you'll be able, in a format which is very similar to what you would have in the exams. So you can basically see, it even has a question where you can calculate. So from this, your child will be able to look at the angles. It knows that there are 360 angles, and then it gives you the two angles, and then you're solving to find the angle, what is angle A. So it's a beautiful tool which will help you in terms of learning and reinforcing what you've learned, what your kid has learned regarding angles, which is for the 10 miles or 10 kilometers. So it's a great quiz. It gives you which is the largest weight of the following. So it's a tremendous resource for you to be able to look at and say, well, this is what I can learn. And you here you get feedback again. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. So it's a great resource. It's a great way that you would learn, and this will be of tremendous benefit to kids from 10, 11, 12, 13, and even for adults who are learning, who want to practice their skills on multiplication and division. They can come and play with this and, learn. It's got very attractive graphics, pictures, and it tells you about the leftover or remainder. So it's quite a beautiful quiz which would be of tremendous benefit. Basically, most of it is just basically here in the quizzes, and you can see there's a long list of quizzes here on a wide range of topics, measuring capacity. It's just a ton of information, and we recommend you go ahead and purchase it. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions, and we hope this quiz will be of benefit to you and your kid, particularly to your kids, as they learn and master math, and we hope this is of a benefit to them.